Getting into a car accident or even having your car door dinged in a parking lot can be frustrating, and finding a reputable body shop to have auto repairs for your car is equally annoying. Sometimes, shops can leave your car with more problems than you came in with. However, you can leave your car with our collision center and know that your ride is in the best hands possible. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Having a dent in your car is more common than you might think. If you're a shopaholic, then your car is in a parking lot more often, which increases the risk of your car having a dent. Getting on top of this can help preserve the life of your paint job. Paint scratches and chipping can cause rust and other damage to your paint. Also, if your paint begins to oxidize, then this is cause for concern as well. Another super common repair job is bumper damage. Whether someone love bumped you at the stoplight or you accidentally backed into something, it happens. Getting ahead of this can have your car look aesthetically pleasing again. Like a bumper, a fender has distinct characteristics, which can make an auto repair a little difficult. Whether your fender is made up of metal, aluminum, or composite material, we've got you covered. Another common auto repair are frame repairs and alignments. This type of damage is the result of collisions, and if you don't fix this problem, it can lead to other serious issues. If you notice that your ride is tugging one way when you brake, or if your car shakes while driving, then you should bring your ride in. Schedule an auto repair today at Toyota of North Charlotte at 13429 Statesville Road.